Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to be showing you how I can do a very pretty like a wintry Korean makeup look. So without further ado, let's go right into the video. Let's start with priming our face. For that I'm going to be using this NYX Plump Right Back primer. This one has like electrolytes in it. It's serum plus primer, so it'll work as a beautiful base underneath our makeup. So let's start with this. So as you can see guys, this is a very lightweight serum based primer. So if you have oily skin and if you want your skin to be quickly like moisturized and prepped for your makeup, this one is going to be perfect for you. And especially in winters, you need at most amount of moisturization and hydration on your skin. So yeah, this is such a good base to start before makeup. It does have a little bit of stickiness to your face, as you can see, so it helps your makeup to grip onto your face. And as you can see guys, it gives this beautiful glow to your skin. It looks so pretty and super glowy. Now next for the foundation, I'm going to be using this one from e.l.f. It's the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. I'm going to mix that with my e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. So these are the two products I'm going to mix and then put on my face. This foundation has a little natural to kind of like matte finish, so I always like mix in my like e.l.f. like Halo Glow filters or illuminators into my like base so that it looks glowy. And especially in winters, you don't want your skin to look like cakey, so it's gonna be perfect if you mix these both together, and it will be perfect glowy base. Gonna like apply this onto my face. I'm just gonna blend it out in this tapping motions. Base is looking super pretty and super glowy. So moving on, for the contour, I'm going to be using this one from e.l.f. It's the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Bronzer and Contour. I'm going to apply 4 dots. 1, 2, right here, 3, and right here, 4. If you have a rounder face shape, you should do your contour in this face, so it makes your face look like chiseled and kind of like less rounder. 1 dot on my forehead as well, right here and right here. Now for the nose contour, it's gonna wrap around my nose like that, so elaborate on both sides like that. I'm gonna blend it all out. So always blend your contour upwards like so. Do not drag it down because it will drag your whole face down. Your face is gonna look very droopy. This contour, as you can see, it blends like seamless into your skin. If you're a beginner, it's a perfect contour for you. Now for the nose contour, I'm gonna just blend it all out. I'm gonna wrap all around my nose like so. Also kind of like joining it and blending it towards my brows. Now after contouring, we're gonna do some concealing, and for that I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I'm gonna apply some under my eyes, also right here in between my brows, my nose bridge, on the tip of my nose, and a little bit around my lip area, around my nose a little bit, just to hide a little bit of like redness that I have. I'm also gonna conceal my blemishes now, so I'm just gonna blend everything out. Now I'm gonna touch up my nose contour a little bit. Guys, now I'm gonna be setting my face using this K-Beauty HD Translucent Loose Powder. And I'm also gonna just set all around my face as well. Guys, now to fill in my brows, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. Instant Lift Waterproof Brow Pencil. First look, you want your brows to be pretty straight because they have Korean brows that are pretty like straight. I'm trying to like achieve that like straight brow look. With the spoolie, I'm gonna brush them out. Now let's start with the eyes, and for that I'm going to be using this Rose Quartz eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty. Because I'm going to be using a fluffy brush and taking this shade called Radiate. I'm just going to like put it all over my lids. It's a very pretty like dusty pink color. It's like a perfect base for eyeshadows. I'm also going to run the same shade down on my lower lash line. Now on a fluffier, like a flatter brush, I'm gonna be taking this shade called Happiness right here. Just keeping it on my lids, like so. Now I'm also gonna run it on my lower lash line too. Now I'm gonna be taking the shade called Precious, and I'm gonna use this and kind of like use it right here to create like a little bit of like depth. I'm gonna do the same on the other side as well. Come that close to your inner corner lash line, like that. I'm also gonna take the same shade and kind of like extend my inner corners using it, and also my lower lash line as well. I'm also gonna take it and put it on my outer corners, like so. And I'm also gonna accentuate my Egocell right here. I'm gonna be taking this shade called Mantra. I'm gonna use this and extend my lower lash line. It helps to create this like a bit of like a rounder effect. It makes your eyes appear more bigger. I'm also gonna take the darker shade and kind of like deepening up my inner corners using this. I'm also deepening up the inner corners of my upper lash line. It kind of gives this like round effect to my eyes, like you can see. Now I'm going to be taking this cream shade from e.l.f. Cream and Sugar eyeshadow palette. I'm going to put it on my outer corners, like that. I'm also putting the cream shade right in the center of my lower lash line and the Egocell that we created. You can see guys, now our under eye bag's looking more prominent and distinct. I'm going to take the dark brown shade. The eyeliner that I'm creating is going to be pretty like straight. I'm gonna follow my lower lash line. Now using the concealer, I'm just gonna like clean up, kind of brighten like in between my lash line and my lower lash line. And just taking the cream shade, I'm gonna set the concealer out. Now I'm gonna be taking this shade called Self Love. I'm just gonna apply this on my inner corners for a bit of sparkles and shimmer. Also applying some on my center of my eyelids. Also applying some glitter here. Now for a little bit of like a white sparkle and for a wintry touch, I'm going to be using this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. It's in the shade Tassel. The eye makeup has turned out very pretty and very wintry. Kind of like a frosty look. The white shimmer changed the entire look to a beautiful winter look. Guys, now to complete our entire eye look, I'm going to be using these individual lashes. These are from Amazon. Okay, so guys, our lashes are done. So now I'm going to be taking my mascara. This one is from Huda Beauty, and I'm going to coat my lower lash layers. Next for the blusher, I'm going to be using this one from e.l.f. It's the e.l.f. Face Duo. I'm just lightly tapping it under my eyes for a little bit like a wash of color. I'm also putting some on my bridge of my nose as well. And also a little bit on my chin, a little bit on my forehead as well, just to tie everything together. Now I'm going to be using another blush. This one is from K Beauty. It's the matte blush. For a bit more of that vibrant color, I'm just going to tap it on top of the blush. A little bit on my nose bridge, tip of my nose, and also right here on that forehead as well. Now for the highlighter, I'm using the white shimmer. I'm just going to put it right on the apples of my cheek. A little bit on my tip of my nose as well, on the bridge of my nose. Now for lighting my lips, I'm going to be using this ColourPop Lippy Pencil. And using this, I'm just like extending my outer corners. This color is very close to my natural lip color. It creates a beautiful like pouty lip. Now for the tint, I'm using this Para Ink Mood Glowy tint, and I'm just gonna like lightly apply this, one layer of this onto my lips. And I'm just gonna with my finger blend it all out. And I'm using a little bit of concealer and just kind of like cleaning out the edges. I'm putting a bit more tint right on the centers for the poutier look. Guys, this is the final look and I feel like it turned out so pretty and super wintry and Christmassy. So yeah, this was my Korean winter makeup look. Let me know how you like it. I think it looks so pretty on me and it looks beautiful. Look at that. Especially the eyes, they have turned out so pretty in my opinion, isn't it? And yeah. Okay, so guys, this was the video and I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please consider subscribing my channel and liking this video. I'm gonna be seeing you in the next one. Until that, bye bye.